Hello everybody, I am coming with you with a recipe called the Tamale Pie. I would like to give a shout out to YouTuber Mama T Speaks. Guys, here's our recipe. I did not have the green onions on here, but you will need 2 strings of green onions. We got our onions and bell pepper, eggs, salt, black pepper, cumin and powder. You're going to need chili powder, Rotel tomatoes, a cup of milk, Jiffy Cornbread mix, of course our ground meat, and our shredded cheese. Okay, y'all, let's get started. Now I'm adding the ground meat into the skillet. We have a big family, y'all, so we have to use lots of meat. Now I am going to take my spatula and mash up the ground meat. Now I'm going to add in some salt. Now I'm going to add black pepper. After my meat get well and done, I am going to drain it. Here I added my can of Rotel tomatoes, onions, and bell pepper. Now I'm going to add cumin in. Now I'm adding in chili powder. Now we're going to mix it all up. This smells so good, y'all. Here I am adding black olives. Y'all remember, y'all are welcome to add or take out any vegetables that you do not like in this recipe. It's all based upon what you want to do with your tamale pie. Now I'm adding in a can of whole kernel sweet corn. Now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Now let's get started on our cornbread. First, we're going to add 2 2/3 cups of cornbread mixture. Now we're going to add in 2 eggs. Now we're going to add in 2 cups of milk. Let's stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Before putting our cornbread in our baking pan, I like for it to sit for like 2 or 3 minutes. Now we're going to chop up some green onions and add it to our cornbread. Now I'm going to take a half a cup of shredded cheese and add it to our cornbread mixture. Now I'm going to take a stick of butter and butter down my baking pan. Now I'm going to take some cornbread mix and put it inside my baking pan. Now I'm going to take a spatula and spread my cornbread mix evenly on the bottom of my baking pan. And make sure you cover all areas of the baking pan because you don't want to pull out some of your tamale pie and there's no cornbread on the bottom. Now we're going to take our meat mixture and put it on top of our cornbread mixture. Y'all, again, this smells so good. I can't wait till I get finished with this recipe. Now we're going to take more cornbread mixture and put it on top of our meat mixture. Y'all see, I'm trying to fill in those corners. Now I'm going to take some more shredded cheese and sprinkle it on top of our cornbread mixture. Okay, y'all, now it's ready to go into the oven. We're gonna bake it at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Okay, y'all, here's our finished product. Look at that. It looks so good. It smells so good. I'm ready to taste it. Now we are going to plate our tamale pie. Here you go, guys. Look at our finished tamale pie. It looks so delicious. I can't wait to put a fork in it and see what my taste buds are going to do. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This recipe is good for any occasion. Again, thank you, Mama T Speaks, for sharing this recipe with the world. And I also wanted to share it with you guys. Thank you for watching. Like Miss Brenda D would say, bye-bye for now.
Always welcome to Miss Brenda D's place. You're always welcome to Miss Brenda D's place.